All right, everybody, happy St. Patty's Day. We're going down to the parade this morning, so we're just gonna do a quick throw the hair up, because actually I got a hat to put on. Still feel like crap. Every time the wind blows, I want to die. People say, oh, it's probably allergies. Oh, you must have allergies. It's not allergies, okay? It's not. It's because I live in Las Vegas. It's all that radiation, chemicals in the dirt. Starts blowing around here, getting people sick, and everyone wants to blame it on allergies. Man, I never had allergies until I moved to Las Vegas. Okay? Allergy capital of the United States, and you wonder why? Okay, so we're doing just a braid into a ponytail because I'm gonna wear a hat to keep the sun off of my face. So I got my ponytail. I'm just gonna put my hat on. Yo-yo! Snap it, snap back, and there we go. If you see me down at the parade, say hi. Come drink some green beer with me. That's what it's all about. That's what we're doing. Got my ponytail in my hat. Looking cute, happy-go-lucky, lucky charm, lucky, happy St. Patrick's Day. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a quick, easy style, and I'll see you next time.